What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. Today we're here to unbox the Plantronics Voyager Edge Bluetooth headset. If you've been following the channel, you know that we have the Google Pixel Buds under review, and I'm pretty excited about those. However, I've always preferred a Bluetooth headset when it comes to work because it has a more professional appearance. I've also been a big fan of Plantronics headsets because of their long-term reliability. Just like the Google Pixel Buds, I'm looking forward to making an in-depth playlist about the Plantronics Voyager Edge Bluetooth headset. This will allow us to spend extra time with the unit so we can answer all the questions you may have so you can decide if this device is right for you. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. The unboxing of the Plantronics Voyager Edge is minimal and futuristic. First, we have the Voyager Edge Bluetooth headset with a silicone ear tip pre-installed. Next, we have product information. Then we have a package with headset accessories. The headset accessories include a USB-A to micro USB cable with car charger adapter, additional silicone ear tip sizes, and a clip-on ear loop. The clip-on ear loop snaps into place on the Bluetooth headset and provides extra in-ear stability. I also opted for the charge dock, which shipped outside of this packaging in a plastic bag. However, I noticed a con here. If you're going to be using the clip-on ear loop on the Bluetooth headset, it's not going to fit into the charging dock. I've also had enough of these devices to know you don't want to remove the clip-on ear loop more than what's necessary because the plastic actually starts to fatigue and becomes prone to breaking. So here we have the Bluetooth headset with this two-tone carbon and gray theme with futuristic sword-like appearance. The unit features a series of buttons and smart sensor technology similar to what's in the Google Pixel Buds. The smart sensor technology allows you to answer or end calls and pause and play audio by putting on the headset or removing it. The power button is an elevated slider which clicks into place and displays a green indicator to indicate on. There's also an LED status indicator that blinks different colors. The headset can be charged by either plugging in the supplied micro USB cable or by placing the headset directly into the dock. Next, we have elevated up and down volume buttons, one of the buttons featuring an indicator bump. In this diamond-shaped area, we have the call button, and this is also where the NFC hardware is located. The travel of this button may seem small, but it's enough to give good feedback. On the sword portion of the headset is a multi-use button that's used for mute, voice, pause, and play. Now this button is similar to the volume up and down button and actually clicks in place. It doesn't have a whole lot of range, but again, just enough to give good feedback. So let's talk about the headset specs. This unit is rated for up to 6 hours talk time and up to 7 days on standby with a range of up to 32 feet. And those are all really good. The unit also comes in at 9 grams or 0.019 pounds, which is very important when wearing the headset for an extended period of time. Now this Bluetooth headset is a little bit on the larger side, but it still manages to fit into the Perilogic smartphone holster. Next, we have the charging dock. It features a grooved rubber design for grip, loop for attaching to a keyring, and micro USB port for charging. The dock itself has a contact that makes connection to the headset for recharging. The dock also has LED status indicators for case charge and headset charge. We will be talking more about this charge dock and its performance in a future video. So final thoughts. Now this video is the first in a series of videos for the Plantronics Voyager Edge Bluetooth headset. I'm really excited about this headset because it has quite a few features that are similar to the Google Pixel Buds. However, I am disappointed because I have this nice charging dock here and it was a good selling point. It's actually partly the reason I bought this whole package here, and I can't use it because the clip-on ear loop interferes with it. Now, based on my experience with these devices, you do want to use the clip-on ear loop because it gives a secure fit and optimal positioning. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the channel. The next way you can support the channel is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can support the channel is just by clicking that subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important. Those are your ways to vote on whether you like the video or the channel. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers. If new viewers see lots of likes and subscribers, they're gonna think that the video is helpful and the channel is worth watching. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.